there is still no word on a cure for the virus, government officials report the virus is not airborne, but can be transferred through contact with blood and other bodily fluids. The virus seems to be making people uncontrollably violent.
Wait! Please don't eat another Twizzlers from that family pack that you buy every week and demolish in a night. It hurts too much.
Who cares if my belly feels gross tomorrow? It's normal. I always feel like this.
It's not normal to feel the pain I feel every day. It's not normal.
I don't care what you think. This satisfies me today.
And also somehow seems to be reanimating the dead. When asked, a White House spokesman declined to comment on whether or not this was a terrorist attack. Due to the violent nature of the
shit.
the virus is spreading rapidly.
Fuck,
Government
not
officials
again.
are reporting there is
Shit.
no cure for the virus and is urging citizens to stay in their homes and avoid contact.